So good day guys, this is Jerome from Trend Micro, and what we're going to do for today will be installing the security agent to an Android devices. So as you can see, this is tablet running KitKat from mistake, and let us check here. Basically this is the most outdated operating system that our agent supports installation on Android device. So Android KitKat. So I already sent the link to my email for installation, and you can check it here. So as you can see, such as the link that I provided, but also the code. Just copy this code, copy, and click on the link to install the security agent. Here you go. Let us download the package and save it. Download again. Alright, waiting for the download, as you can see.
CJ ay laptop mo pwede ba wala pwede check na port kailangan lang table gamitin mo na
Alright, let's wait for it to be fully downloaded for the package. Put it there.
uwi ka mamaya.
Alright. Okay, just wait for it. And then later, what we're going to do, having a tablet and an iPad, we're going to install also the security agent onto the iPad. Alright. But for now, to the tablet itself for the meantime. So download is complete already. Let us run it. Just make sure that onto your settings, it is enabled to install a third party. Okay, there you go. And as you can see, you can read what will be accessed by our security agent. Install. Alright, and then click on open. Alright, so what you need is the code a while ago, basically for you to have your admin rights. Alright, the authentication code right here, paste it, which that is one. So continue and accept, always accept. And then as you can see, the functions or the administrator will be able to erase all data, change screen, unlock password, set password rules, monitor screen unlock attempts, lock the screen, and everything and others. So click on activate. So while we're waiting for that, let's access here our Pancake account. So we'll just go to CLP, trendmicro.com. Alright, okay, as you can see, it's protected. And let us see, as you can see there, you can have the option to scan, and it seems to be the security agent is downloading an update. So open console, as you can see on the background. I'm opening up right now the console for worry-free services. There, here. Alright, so successfully updated, as you can see, and it's now scanning my device for threats. Then onto that, what options do we have? So about So the latest version would be 9.6.0127. And then the policy. So all of these are turned on, if I'm not mistaken. So they're basically turned grayed out. So as you can see, real-time malware scan, real-time privacy scan, web security, which for web blocking, but you do have also your approved lists and as well as your block lists. And let us see, where's that? There it is, that. So let's see, let us test if blocking, for example, youtube.com. Let us see, YouTube, you'll be able to block youtube.com. Oops. .com. HTTP should be HTTPS : / let us use the symbol asterisk. I hope. It will able to use the wildcard asterisk.com. Save. So as you can see, let us see. Let's go to a website called YouTube. Just open up a browser, browser Chrome, accept and continue. Next, that will be fine. Got it. So let us go to youtube.com. youtube.com. Go. Oops, there you go. So you can see it's being blocked by our Word-Free Business Security Services. So when we go back to our account, should be able to manage this agent that you have onto your tablet or to your Android device under your account as well. So here, there we go. You do have it there. It lists the Gmail account that you used actually. Let us see. There. You see those? There it is. Here. And also it lists the operating system of your Android device. So next up, installing the security agent to an iPad or an iOS device. Bye bye.